vlog entry for July 2nd, Friday. We are gonna go to Yellowstone now in 2 cars, and the reason being that Shantanu and Natasha will come back to Salt Lake, and then Janet and I will continue on to our journey to Maine from Yellowstone. And the next stop after that will be Cody, Wyoming, and her last name is Cody. So we'll be getting
It's the stop we've all been waiting for.
Yes, that's the most important stop. But we are really excited and sort of just so. This is Shantanu, and we've been so gracefully attended to and so carefully taken care of by both Shantanu and Natasha. The hospitality is unmatched.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you for coming here.
Oh yeah. Our
We
pleasure.
loved it.
Yeah.
अपना ही घर है.
अपना ही घर है.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah.
I'm photo bombing, video bombing.
Yeah. No, you're not video bombing. You're invited. Yeah.
Today,
And to stay in touch, we've got these walkie-talkies. हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए. जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के हो लिए. जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के हो लिए. So we are at the world's biggest styrofoam potato. It's not the world's biggest potato. So we just got these chocolate-covered potato chips at the cafe at the Potato Museum, and at the bottom it says "No finer spuds for your taste buds." And yeah, we've been trying these. And what do you think, Janet?
They're pretty good.
Yeah, Shantanu, what's your opinion?
Superb.
Superb. Too good. Too good. Yes, that's an Indian slang. Too good. It's Natasha.
chocolate and potato. What else do we need?
Perfect.
What else?
What else?
What else?
What else?
Well,
In this world, yeah, the 2 best things put together.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now try it. You have to try.
Okay. Oh no. I've already had too much. No. I can't possibly. No.
Oh shit. Yeah.
That's what you get for trying to be too polite.
Okay, I'll also try with you.
Oh, okay.
That's next level polite.
Next level politeness, yeah.
Okay, give it a try then.
Well, it's melting, so we gotta try them fast or put them in the cooler.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yummy.
Too good.
Too good.
All right. So we just got to Harriman State Park in Idaho, which is on the west side of Yellowstone. We got 2 cabins here, which is kind of peculiar because it's just 2 of us, or 4 of us, 2 couples, and 2 cabins. The 2 cabins have a total of like 13 beds or something. And the other thing is that we can only park away from the cabins, so we have to take our stuff in these wagons. Yeah, this is so great, carrying our stuff in wagons to our cabins. Okay, there was this giant rug that was rolled up, so I couldn't get in. Oh wow, this is nice. It's so roomy. We have 2 giant dining tables.
So awesome.
Wow.
I love it.
What would be perfect?
Oh look, they have games up here.
But they have cookhouse here.
They have puzzles, puzzles.
Oh, look at the cookhouse.
Yeah?
Something is leaking. I just
The
made
kitchen
a
is
gas.
so awesome.
It does, right?
Yeah, it's meant for
It's
some
so
gas.
huge.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wow. This is a massive restaurant sized kitchen.
Right?
I'm glad we didn't bring our pots and pans for the truck.
Yeah. Wow, this is a huge kitchen.
Probably probably it can
Yeah.
accommodate like 50 people.
Yeah, and
in one kitchen.
and this kitchen is really huge, even though the people that you're seeing in the picture are not that tall. They are like literally 2 feet. Is that the gas is on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's a pilot light.
Oh yeah, that's the pilot light. Yes.
Yeah.
Is the gas off?
Oh, that
Oh, thank
But
God.
you know what? I wonder if this pilot light is out.
And
that's
it's
why